In this video, we listed the 5 best laser controller on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ruiheda RDC6445 Controller. The RDC6445G and RDC6442G are laser control systems designed to adapt to various types of lasers including CO2 glass tube, CO2 radio frequency tube, optical fiber, and ultraviolet. The RDC6445G supports 4 axes and 2 laser channels, with features such as double head shift support, Ethernet, USB, and optional wireless Wi-Fi communication interfaces, a 5-inch true color screen with button operation panel, and various engraving functions including plane engraving, slope engraving, and grayscale engraving. It also supports firmware upgrade, rotary processing, and processing after power failure. The RDC6445G is compatible with operating systems Win XP, Win 7, Win 8, and Win 10 in 32-bit or 64-bit, and offers language support in 13 languages. On the other hand, the RDC6442G also supports 4 axes and 2 laser channels but lacks double head shift support. It features a 3.5-inch true color screen with button operation panel, U-axis feeding, ordinary full-page feeding, installment encryption, and Y-axis rotation for rotary processing. It also supports engraving functions such as plane engraving, slope engraving, and grayscale engraving, as well as processing after power failure. The RDC6442G is compatible with operating systems Win XP, Win 7, Win 8, and Win 10 in 32-bit. Both systems are compatible with supporting software such as RDWorks V8, plug-in software RDplug, virtual printing, and RDimage. Optional accessories for both systems include wireless handle, RDAPP, and RD Wi-Fi. Number 2. Hunst Ruiheda CO2 Laser Controller. The CO2 Laser Controller, model Ruiheda RDC6445S, is a standalone controller with 128M memory on board. It supports USB, Ethernet communication, U-Disk, and application software such as RDWorks V8, AutoCAD, CorelDRAW, and AI plugin software. The controller features 4 axis motion control, 2 channels laser control, and supports panel modification of manufacturer, user parameters. It also includes safety protection, engraving functions like planar engraving and 3D engraving, and supports various laser types. The product is designed for non-metal cutting applications and is suitable for leather, fabric, sign, and 3C fields. The manufacturer, Dongguan Hunst Laser Technology Company, Limited, specializes in the R&D, production, and sales of medium and high-end industrial laser equipment and related spare parts. Number 3. Clouday Ruiheda CO2 Laser Controller. The CO2 Laser Controller, Ruiheda RDC6432G, is a cutting-edge laser engraving and cutting control system with a true color TFT screen for easy operation. It features independent adjustable laser power control, multi-channel I/O control, and advanced motion control functions. The system supports various languages and offers software support for file formats like PLT, DXF, AI, and DST. With a focus on non-metal cutting applications such as leather, fabric, signage, and 3C fields, the RDC6432G is a smart device with a 3.5-inch LCD display and USB interface port for convenient connectivity. It is suitable for use in lathe and turning center applications and is certified with CE. With a DC-24V input power, the controller offers high precision and versatility for a wide range of laser processing needs. Number 4. Cloudray Ruiheda Rode DSP Controller. The CO2 Laser Controller, model Ruiheda RDC6442S, is a versatile and advanced controller designed for laser cutting and engraving machines. It supports standalone operation and U-Disk processing, allowing for convenient offline modification of file attributes, manufacturer and user parameters. The controller also features real-time display of the processing path, coordinate point and progress bar, as well as support for automatic focusing, manual input or automatic acquisition of docking points. With extended interface for external devices and support for multiple languages, the Ruiheda RDC6042S offers a wide range of customization options. It is suitable for non-metal cutting applications such as leather, fabric, signage, and 3C fields, and comes with software ArdWorkAce V8 for file format support and editing functions. Additionally, it is a smart device with CE and RoHS certification, making it a reliable choice for laser cutting and engraving needs. Number 5. FONLAND Ruiheda Controller. The CO2 Laser Controller, model Ruiheda RDC6045S, is a standalone controller with 128M memory on board. It supports USB, Ethernet communication and U-Disk, and is compatible with application software such as RDWorks V8, AutoCAD, CorelDRAW, and AI plugin software. The controller features 4-axis motion control and 2 channels laser control, with the ability to modify manufacturer user parameters via the panel. It also supports various functions including manual point, continuous switch, automatic focus, and docking point setting. The controller is designed for non-metal cutting applications, such as leather, fabric, signage, and 3C fields. It supports multiple languages and file formats, and is suitable for use with CO2 glass tube, CO2 metal RF, fiber, and UV lasers. Additionally, it comes with safety protection features and supports firmware upgrades and remote upgrades for the mainboard and touch screen program. The Ruiheda RDC6045S is a smart device with CE certification and is suitable for use with CO2 laser engraving cutting machines.